Next thing we'll talk about is the most traded type of assets within each of these categories. So the four different categories or currencies that can be traded are the Euro US dollar, the British pound versus the US dollar versus Japanese yen, and the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. The most traded commodities would be the crude oil, coffee, natural gas, gold, and silver. The most traded stock indices we're looking at is the Dow Jones, which is a price-weighted average of 30 different significant stocks which are traded in the New York Stock Exchange. The Nasdaq is usually, it separates between the NASD and also some of the national securities, but most of these stocks are representing like the world's most foremost technology, like some huge biotech giants that everyone knows. For example, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Intel, and all of that sort. The next one is the S&P 500, which the S&P 500 is kind of like the leading indicator of all the U.S. like equities and stuff like that. It basically reflects the whole entire cap universe of the stock market, and usually reflects the risk and return ratio that builds up on the huge stock market. The next one is the FTSE, which stands for the Financial Times Stock Exchange. When this is a company that specializes in index calculation. So it's very similar to the Standard & Poor's, but it's based in the United Kingdom, or the London Stock Exchange. And the last one is the DAX, which, similar to the S&P 500, this is what a stock that represents 30 of the largest and most liquid German companies that are traded on the Frankfurt Exchange. And some of the most traded stocks that everyone knows is Google, Facebook, Intel, Microsoft, and Apple.